be honest, I'm a little nervous about what I'm going to do today. I have our 2004 Springdale by Keystone camper that we have owned for many, many years, and it's always been hangared like this, at least for the last 10 years or so. But what we have discovered over the last few times of camping is we have a leak somewhere. Up in this corner, right up in here, the little water deflector is gone. It's actually broken off right in here, and I'm not sure how that happened. Maybe I hit a branch or something, but the water has been coming down, and you can see it once you start up the camper with the humidity and the moisture. The water runs down this drain, and instead of being diverted out like this, it runs directly down this seam, which is black right now. Actually, I kind of see what might be the problem. I don't know if you can see this drip running down, and this is hangared, and there's water running down all the way up to the top. So I went up here, and to my surprise, you can kind of see the puddle of water here. It's been dripping from the inside of the roof onto the camper, and I thought it was pretty safe up here, but apparently there's still water. So this whole time the water's been running down right in here, weakening the seal. But I'm gonna fix that today. All right, here's my Amazon purchase. Let's see what I ordered. I needed some tape to tape the seal or the two seams together. I got two different sizes. One is 1.25 inches and the other is 1.5 inches. And I got some replacement vinyl, white vinyl trim. Got a drain cleaning thing because I want to make sure and clean the drain, keep it clean. And then some of this butyl rubber sealant. Supposedly this is the stuff that you're supposed to use when you seal these sides again. So I'm going to start by taking them off and we'll get to work. So as you can see, there definitely is no tape on the seams. There's just a bunch of caulk. And it seemed like the caulk was pretty difficult to get off until right about up in here. So I think maybe that's where the leakages are coming from. But we gotta take out these staples right here, because this seems to want to come out. And of course you can see right inside. So there's not a lot holding this camper together really, except for this piece of wood running right up here. And there are some staples here. That are kind of holding this thing together. looks like I might be rusting a little bit. So you just got to be careful when you take this out. Anyway, I'll let you take a look when I finally got it completely all of the staples removed and everything. It's going to be quite a task, so I don't want to waste your time. More to come.